it's me, and today I'm making a video of my slime. And it's red. I used to have a pink one, but it got on my sister's shirt and it was sticky and it didn't come off. So I had to throw it away. And then I had an orange one. Then I turned it to a red color, which is this one. It's very sticky. And I used it with this food coloring. This is the things. And it's not like real slime, it's a flarp, noisy putty. Yeah. My hands are red because they're the food coloring. It kept touching me. Yeah. And I'm sorry if there's hair in it. I'm just gonna play for a little bit with it because in this video we're gonna do pet peeves. Let's get right into the video. This first pet peeve is breathing too heavily. This other one is when people squish it without even bubbles in it. Like, bro, seriously? This other one is when people have to pop and ruin their swirls. Like, no. Why did you hurt my feelings, dude? Like, bruh, this thing has, like, feelings. So mean. And that's how much pet peeves I can do, because I can't really think of them. And if you'd like to see me play with my slime more, tell me in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.